Good morning guys, hello baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, a very special. And guys, today I'm on a new look of the helmet. So you can see it's a brand new. And actually, let me get on the motorbike. I'm telling you guys, today I'm on another look. So let me put it here. So today we try to make the shopping here and there. So I'm at Nyabahansi. I want to buy some stuff here and there. So probably let me take you around. This is how Nyabahansi market looks like. We have tomatoes, we have sardines everywhere. I'm telling you. We have the duck right here. So guys, I'm supposed to buy the Irish potatoes and for this first time to prepare rice for my family. Oh man, you see? That's it. So this is how things they are here. And on this side here we have the shed. I think you can see. We have the shed. Before when they built this one, they could migrate from this one to other side. Johnny! You see guys right there. There's a shed here. So guys, on today's videos are very special. It was about to rain guys, you can see. And my intro starts from here. Let me know in the comment section guys, what do you think about on today's vlog. But for me, are very special. And I thank God for the gift of life every day. I must say, God, thank you so much. Without you, I couldn't manage to be here. So let me show you guys. See how Nyabahansi market looks like. Mchanda kuri vitunguru. We have lemon, we have onions, we have I forget this one, known as tangawizi. But yeah, ginger. We have ginger, we have banana. So I'll come and buy maybe onions and banana here for my family. I'm telling you guys. Serious. Say hello. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hey. Like your mother, like who? So I have cans of Irish potatoes. But I'm going on the other side. So I want to buy some stuff here and there. And then guys, it's good to show you how our market looks like. Imagine, it's a small business here. We have a papaya, we have charcoal. This charcoal here, it goes, oh no? Wow, we have a sharp kid here. Oh no! Oh no! That guy, they're a good friend of mine. So let's go to So I'm heading this way. It's so crazy when my intro starts here. Mama, achumbo even talk at that. Yeah, pole ma'am. Be achumrometo na tata agora remi. That's my helmet, that's my bike. Okay, have the sardines here. Hiya, tanturi ividas. Okay. Tarusi even can I give a maskum? Tarusi. Mama Toby made her not to my. One of the men I can hardly As you watch this video guys, give a video a like. So today I'm going to prepare lunch for my family. Like it's a crazy day, my intro starts from here. For those people who keep complaining, hello baby, have the helmet. Just right there. For my good secure of my health. Sinyanya mbento nacho. Kwani wewe? Kitunguri hubiri.
Unauza nini? Pero wanta buta.
This is a sardines. We have another one here. Maro tura, maro hard quail.
Marwan.
Hey, ganda muskan. We don't need here.
You know.
Hey. Ni mekairo ni omo pasung kuhekore birra.
Karim bi hekiri.
Hey.
Wow.
Guys, give our video a like, comment, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's. This one goes to $3. I'm telling you. Aya, torambi birastoma. We have coriander, but when I'm going on the other side, I promote that young lady. Yeah. Torebe 50 to my mama. Once mwenye umojoma mama. Mawe pano bike biru guchagora. Utigiremera simenene. Mia bine. Oma Tanzania ga suka meniga miambiri.
Ni tamanya mangana ga Tanzania mana be kunyari to gyo to gore to beri na uri.
Aya bi mabi amsini bine. Bora angi utoro wonte ga bine. Sabi no bine mama. Kanota nyenge.
Nyenge hii. Nimeongeza kidogo hiki hapa.
Haya. So rice and Irish potato.
Kwenye limbeke nene mo.
Tama.
Kama kirkenga na gotore.
Ongai ni hirasi na hitare.
Nigeto.
It's about to rain, guys, right now. Torambata uge Pepsi mama. Afo kengembe kabichi.
Ngon kengere.
Anigaba mahora kengo tankengiri fresh na.
Kwa muri sasi ko bai mukiri sire kengiri yende oni fresh nenda ku ingundo. Oromono.
Mama nigaba makibro ko kengo taturi birasi bena no kana nigo ukyo hagere mama terora hage ni kasasi ko pen. Wono moteju mwe ko randi video abande. Uwana sara.
Ano ni ntondo ri hiko.
Ara bebe kugira ndagera. Ndahiri bara kumu. I'll show you how they chop cutting cabbage right here.
Cabbage. Yeah, get it.
We have eggs, but one of these days we're going to border town and buy one crate of the eggs. I'm telling you. Amagimbe rero gachamba kisivani hano.
Hano bara bato kongire be ne musinari pe to so.
Irenga.
420 isivani 420 sirari 420.
Omagana gisumu irigiri mushin 15.
Kono ndego nke harambe to kumuki hano.
We need a fresh cabbage. We have kales here, but I'll make sure when you eat rice and Irish potatoes, you must have aside the cabbage. That's how they chop. Not chopping board. We do local. One for not good. I want to answer it. Hi, con. Can you be man when you couldn't kill him with us?
You also a tamagi.
Maggie Hanoka dinner was a
we. Atamanchanya.
So this cabbage. One a week can get kangaroo. Hey, a week can get kangaroo cabbage. Ata arusero ke shirini mama kana tarenga varu.
Barenga muri.
Mama squeeze mbaki kotore bacheti yako ngako. Kini mama rongeni ringeni bona no nirenga. Mia.
Mia kufichincheru chirenga.
Chincheru chihe mama.
130.
130 chihe.
Kana mia 10 130 cabbage 20 bob.
Itu kama mama iskoni kyabateja.
Uwe.
Ko haichi he uchonge chenkoro.
Otiri heremu. 17 koko.
Kwa 270 uko. Mana tunehe. Toka temera masabu. Okay. So this one goes to $1. Imagine, I'm telling you. Let's go this way. Sarah, nipe vitunguru huko. Ndio. Sarah. Sana nipitoke huko. Como ya na usikero no monga. Sito. Sikai.
Aduh, awak ni belum sunap.
Shika hivi. Bado. Want to buy banana here. Irenga pano muko. Tunggu vitoke. Haya. Sawa. Chota koromo 20 stamere. Bibere 20 vitoke 10. Vitoke 20. Haba money. Tamo andama. So guys, it's time to go back home. Oh. This is my good helmet for protecting. I'm telling you. Just a minute, guys. No crying, guys. It's just a minute. Oh. I want to look here, guys. Oh. I'm struggling to wear this. Right now I'm okay. See the shopping here. It's time to go back home right now, guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm heading home after making the shopping. Let's go. Wait. Aho. Well guys, I was greeting one of our good friend of mine. So I'm heading home, guys. Today I'm on a new look, new helmet. No crying, no helmet. Oh wow, let's go. Woo. I want to prepare rice for my family. The other time I prepare fish. This time is rice. Let's go. We have the local shop here. Wow. I found my cousin here, so I need to escort her. Josh, guys. Cotton. Oh guys, at the back I have my cousin, so it's time to go home. I'm telling you guys, if you're watching these videos for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Wow. If you don't know who I'm carrying at the back, that's my cousin, a daughter to my brother's sister. We're going home in a good day, but it's almost to rain. You see guys, right now we are heading in a summer season. No pressure on that. Keep going. Guys, how my look without this helmet here? Actually, it's a brand new. See? So let's go. Whoa. Yesterday it's raining, and the weather is so bad. Today the same. So it means we are heading to the winter season. So most of the farmer, they want to plant maize in the farm. Actually, go and watch my yesterday video. You will see how my brother plow or prepare the land for my next brother. So I keep moving up to home. Wow. So I'm wearing the helmet for the protective gear. I'm telling you. I have the cow there. It's that boot. Wow. These are my stones here from my mama dream house. Whoa. Guys, I'm back home and no one is here. Let's see guys, stay tuned. Wow guys, this is everything that I bought here, and it's raining. The rain of cat and dog. Mom, man, check out your hands. Man, check out your hands. Amanche, got your hands. Yeah, one thank you. Guys, let me see. That's how I kept my shoes here. It's crazy. And I want to cook rice for my family. So like when I came from Nyabuhansi, it's raining. What about one out there? Well guys, it's raining here. And that being said, you'll see how I'm cooking rice over here. So I'm supposed to reduce fire. You see guys, I was born and raised in the village. The smoke here, but I don't mind. And over here I have my mama. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, they try to show us how we wash the rice. So to oh my god, I'm shooting this video on Sunday. chini anto kutora kwanza. So guys, my mama told me you put rice first. Like that way. Yeah? So I put tomato on top. Mama, you can hold for me the camera that way. Okay. It can't sign a number. Wow, guys. Real struggle here. This is the salt that we have. This is the salt that we have over here. Don't take too much salt. I think this one is okay. Put firewood. Guys. You will see. Go ahead. I'm supposed to add the cooking oil under this container here. Like not a lot of cooking oil. And I'm telling you, oh, it's raining, and after this I'm going to chop the Irish potatoes. But I'm lucky enough, I bought the cabbage which have already been chopping or chopped. Imagine, guys, that's how it is rice. Yeah. Village lifestyle. Okay. That's the rice, guys. Please, my good people, if you haven't subscribed on today's vlog, please subscribe. This is my second time to be in kitchen helping my mama to cook rice. And I gain knowledge from my mama. She's just right here, but right now it's a kind of a smoky and it's raining. Oh, sorry. Yeah, oh. And on this side we have the boiled water. Under the boiling water, you know, it's range 100 degrees Celsius. So I'm supposed to put water. Right. I think that one's enough. I'll have another rice here. Alright. I stir. The reason why you put hot, like, I found my mama have already boiled the water because I went outside. This rice and it's so yummy, I'm telling you. Guys, if you are cooking rice like this, do not put much firewood. I'm stirring. And then we have the cover lid here. So I'm gonna cover it that way. Anyway, guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. You will see how we enjoy this rice. And mama, oh, because of light, Mama, I bought the Irish potato, cabbage, and ripe banana. Sorry guys, it's a small kitchen, so that's how we see, like, oh, but anyway, all in well. What a good day, guys. But for me, I'm so grateful. But on my yesterday videos, I was being disappointed by one of our local woman in the village, and actually she was a mom for the guy who making for me bricks, and like, for me, no time for negativity. They try to chase me, like they try to pull me down, but I don't care, no matter what. So thank you so much, my Jamaican Canadian uncle. I bought the cement, and it's a courtesy from you. Thank you so much for the love and support. And guys, I really appreciate the work that I'm doing here, because I'm on the process of buying materials here and there. Well, guys, oh my god, these are small pipe for lighting the fire, like that way. Maybe people will ask me, hello baby, what's up? This is the life in our village here. You see, I cook the rice, man. I'm doing it more. Oh my god. Wow. I think maybe the end of February I'll make something unique. Oh, this fire is disturbing me. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm almost done with the smoke. So right now we have the water. It's coming out, but let's close it here. Like I'm telling you, man, it's raining here. You can tell. Look how this tank have been filled, like full of water. Let me check. There's some stuff here. That one here. Oh my god, see right here. And I come on this side here. It's raining here and there, but we managed to chop the Irish potato. My soap got bad, but anyway, let me keep it here. So guys, I supposed to chop the like chopping or peeling the Irish potatoes, probably as the rice been cooked inside there. Man, let me check. I want to check first my bike outside. Whoa. Man, it's raining time here. So right now you are in winter season. Technically we change. Look how water flows. I'm telling you, this round some content creators have some big challenges, because anytime it wanna rain. Even my baby is outside here. But I'll try to wipe my baby. I don't want maybe to look that here and there. Man, let me show you how the car feeling when it's raining here. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, give a video a like. So anyway, by tomorrow videos, I'll make sure I wake up in the morning shooting the videos, because a day like this, I didn't expect maybe it wanna start raining. Look how the cow feel. When it's raining time, it's under modless. You see? Wow. Anyway guys, I'll go and do some activity. When it's raining on the other side, the water passing on this pipe, you can tell on the comment section. Look down there. So far so good. Let's do this. Oh man, it's a freezing day, but for me 100% no time with negativity. In case you're new here guys and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Love is for free. So if you're watching my videos and then I made an inspirational videos here and there, I'm trying to encourage young youth outside there, if they are watching these videos, they're part of their family, please see what your brother is doing. And thank you so much for my good subscriber. You really make me to be happy up to nowadays, and you motivate me, like you try to encourage me, and for me I take your comments seriously here and there. So I can't wait to see my mama dream house coming in shape. Maybe I think now I'm not perfect enough guys. Without you I couldn't be here today. And I'm trying to mentor one of our young YouTuber here. She's a lady. Actually guys, go and check Felicitas, subscribe to her channel. Right now I see some big transformation or big motivation to her channel. She tried to improve in terms of subscriber and views guys. Please show her some love, and I really appreciate for the love and support that you showed towards to me and her. Probably if I got 10 new subscriber, please, for my new subscriber, go and check for Felicitas. Every videos I'll tag her. You can click there and watch her videos. So maybe you can advise her on maybe in terms of the videos, especially she's a lady. She can do cooking videos, lifestyle in the village here and there. At the same time, maybe when he migrates from one place to another, she can able to show you how they traveling, how they do things, you know. Like if you are stay in one side to be a positive one side, things will be went right. So I'm heading this way. Man, I'm telling you. Let me wipe the camera guys. Sorry. One of this day, but I'm not sure, but one of this day I suppose I will buy the balance stones one of this day, because the way I see my plan goes, I will do so. And for me, I want to gather all material on the ground. When I start building for my mama house, it's one after all. So I don't. Wow. So I don't like I can build my own dream house, and my mama complaining, oh, why do you build your house? You see the cock? It's noon time over here, and it's rained since let me say since 12 o'clock p.m. here, my local time, up to now. It's around 2 p.m. But we flow with the vibe. to the end. Imagine guys, I'm outside and it's raining. You can tell even on my hand. At the same time it's freezing, but I'm trying to make this video to be clear enough here and there. I'm telling you, look even how the goat looks like. This is my grandma goats. Look, it's freezing, man. Even I myself am outside here to chase my dream. So that being said earlier, I'm telling you guys the reality. Maybe next week or the starting of February, because we have 1 week to turn to the next month, I wanna buy some balance stones and to see how things goes, because I'm supposed to burn the bricks from my neighbor. Although yesterday I was disappointed enough, like, man, my heart broken yesterday, because I want to check my progress or my project, how it's progress. And one of our mom in this village, they tried to disappoint me, but for me, I don't care. So the remaining $100 I'll make as I burn the bricks from there, and then I transfer, because to avoid the expenses, maybe delivering from there, burning here and there. So I want to make things to be clear, guys. Through your support, you see what I'm making in my village here. This is a huge role model, and maybe when this stone is not enough, later I will add one tipper, because to solve the issues out, maybe complaining with the guy, oh, bring stones, bring this. But I think this one, man, it's a lot, because our land, it's somehow plain, like it's somehow maybe straight, like not deep, not slanting. Anyway, let's go. So this is what I was maybe working for like 6 months ahead. Wow. And it's good my brother came from, maybe I think from church, because he was serving. He was like a master. It's raining, you can tell even my brother right there. So Achohan. So it's good he came from church. That took it hand. Yeah, so this is where I'm going to build my mama dream house, and I will build a good house within here. You will see, guys. So you came from church?
Yes.
It's raining, or you run, or you have a lift. Remember?
I just keep myself under the, you know.
Like you get shelter under the people's house.
Yeah.
All right. So it's good you came from church and you hold for me a camera. I want to peel some Irish potatoes,
Yeah.
and then I cook.
But you know, I'm supposed to go to school
Today?
Yeah.
So-
Today is on Sunday.
You don't want to take lunch?
I will take it, but
Oh, it's 2:10
yeah.
p.m.
Yes.
That's our local time. Yeah, so it's good for me. I value education, so I will let you to go. You see, guys. I don't know how could you watch these videos till the end, because somehow it's muddy, it's raining here and there. Let me check the rice. This is what I'm cooking here. Oh, the food is so yummy! Look, guys, look. Look, guys. So we reduce the fire as the rice to be cooked. So it's time to peel the Irish potatoes that have been said earlier. So, mama, kitu gani kinatangulia? Tuepue mchere, tuchonge viazi. Somebody's calling me. Alright. Anyway, guys, this is what I have here. Actually, I went to the Banse market. I make the shopping. We have banana here, and it's ripe. Imagine all of this goes to $2. I'm telling you. And we have the bulb onion, like spring onion, not bulb. We have a lot of them. But there's a time I went in Tanzania, I bought the bulb onion, so I tried to mix up. So you have the cabbage here. We wash and then we cook them. Inside here, we have the Irish potatoes. So this is what I mean. So when we eat with rice, the food will be so yummy. So let me see my mama whether she have already finished. Mutanukura skuli. Tokyo hore saati ya nuguri. Nguni. So, mama, it's time to kuchanga viazi. Sema kuchanga viazi.
Kuchanga viazi.
Yes. You know Swahili, it has some repetition words. Kuchanga viazi means to peel viazi. So, tell her between. So, mama, are you supposed to cut the knife?
Kuchanga viazi.
Kuchanga viazi. So I cut this small. You see, guys, sometimes it's raining. My brother is taking the maize. We'll struggle. Oh, for me, no idea. I'm trying to prepare lunch for my family. Right now, guys, no time for negativity. Big shout out to Jamaican Canadian uncle. Big shout out to you. You made it possible. And yeah, for the love and support that you show me. Actually, guys, you go and see what yesterday I'm trying to make it. So we have the knife here, and I wanna say so like yesterday it feels so bad when that mom from another, like when. So guys, that being said, I will never waste my energy with maybe negativity people in my village here. Like yesterday, one of our mom embracing me, and I went to check my project, how it goes. But I think when I go there next time, I'll go there to make the payment and burn my bricks. After that, I'll run from there. So my mama tried to help me peeling peeling the Irish potatoes over here. And this is my house. Imagine, guys, through your support, I have a couch here. You can tell, like, you have the place to sit here and there. We have banana here. After maybe eating the rice, we give each and everyone one banana. Like, we are around right now, we are 4 people. Wow, and banana there are 4. Can I? Okay. I want to go to Robbie can Google that. Maybe should start at school. And I can at school. Yeah. And I'm okay. That's how we peel. Wow. So maybe for meanwhile, I'll show you how I'm peeling. But I'm trying. Tamwigoro morango. So morango no mubebe mwita. So I'm telling my brother to open my sister's door because she was sleeping. Imagine. When the Irish potato have not peeled it, it looks like this one. But when you peel it, it looks like this one here. And we're going to wash them and then we cook. Imagine. At the same time, these Irish potatoes make French fry. I'm telling you. Known as in quote chips. Every day, guys, we change the diet. No crying. It's good to change our diet. Maybe today we eat sugary, tomorrow we eat fish, the following day we eat chapati, the following day we eat scum and eggs, you know. So very hot. Guys, we are on the process of peeling Irish potatoes. So my brother, he came from church and today is a weekend day, so he's rushing to school. So he didn't wait the Irish potatoes and cabbage. So for him, he tried to launch the rice. You eat. You can take one banana because you're on a hurry, on the hard process. Take one, you go. Hey, this banana, guys, ripe one. Hey. Guys, so like right now my mama finished peeling the Irish potatoes, so it's time to cook. And then you wash them. Asema como un tinte my hands. Mama say subscribe.
Subscribe
To Hello Baby.
to Hello Baby.
Guys, please, if you heard from my mom, please subscribe, guys. Love is for free. If I got 10 subscribe on my YouTube channel, I appreciate, man. Happy man. Hello Baby. Chagana. Two Irish potatoes. That's how we cook. Hey mama, the salt is enough. Guys, right now my mama, she was chopping tomatoes. Yeah. Here we do locally, but when I build my mama dream house, when it have the kitchen inside, I'll buy all things, making the cupboard on the wall and having the chopboard and everything. The place where you can place gas cooker, but the gas will supposed to be outside on that time when it's rich, guys. For me, I'm grinding hard. Mama, you can put a soup. Yeah. Wow. Today I'm learning how mama cook the Irish potatoes right there. And maybe other time you will see me cooking alone Irish potatoes. So I'm learning the procedure. Like you see how I was cooking the rice. I was watching mama how she was cooking rice every day. Every day. So today I sit aside watching my mama cooking the Irish potato. Wow. Village life. Hey guys. Okay. Let me know in the comment section, guys. What do you think in the comment section below? I'm just over here at home, grinding so hard to make sure that my dream come to reality. For me, I can't wait to see my mama, the house coming in shape. I know every people have its own time to build. And right now, guys, no competition. Where I came from, for me, I'm just working so hard here and there. No competition with anybody. I'm just doing my own thing, you know. So look. Alright guys, I had an emergency call from my brother. So for me, like, you never see me eating with my mom because my sister, she was sleeping right there. So you shall meet in the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. I'm rushing to eat the rice here. Guys, sorry. On my today's vlog, you will never see me eating with my mama because I had the call from my brother who went to study in university. And guys, you're really supporting him a lot here and there. I pay him the rent, I make shopping for him. So he was calling me and I supposed to rush out and see what is going on, guys. So stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video, guys. Today I could end my video here, guys. Sorry, inside my house, guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. May God bless you abundantly. And for my returner subscriber, may God also bless you. So today is on a Sunday, and for my premiere again, you'll miss this video, but tomorrow you get the premiere, guys. Bye.